ISAC, short for Integrated Sensing and Communication, remains a key technology component in 6G. The idea is to not only localize active users, but also passive objects with the very same technology that we also use for data transmission. At Rohde Schwarz, we have been supporting the testing and verification of the sensing performance, offering object emulation out of a test instrument. Such a test instrument can be configured with multiple static or dynamic objects in terms of distance, speed, and also radar cross-sections. Now, out of the many ISAC use cases that potentially can be supported, drone detection has really become a priority use case. For that reason, we enhance the emulation capabilities of our solution. Now, such a propeller of a drone would create a so-called micro-Doppler characteristic, which consists of two oscillating Doppler shifts corresponding to the speed of that propeller. And this is what we show in our demonstration today. So our sensor is sending out a signal at 24 gigahertz. We receive it, downconvert, and do the modification in terms of micro-Doppler, and we send it back to the sensor. You can see the result of the object emulation on the screen. It shows two signatures with 180 degrees phase shifting between them, which correspond to the rotation of such a propeller of a drone. Obviously, it would be easy to just configure a second propeller by enabling additional objects, and you can see result on the screen changing. Now, these micro-Doppler signatures are important for object classification because the movement of the wings of a bird, for instance, would be very different to what you see on the screen right now. Object emulation enables reliable and repeatable verification of the sensing performance of your ISAC implementation. It avoids the need for physical objects throughout your testing procedure, which is often time-consuming and complex to realize. Adding the capability of micro-Doppler signature into our solutions would also support object classification use cases at our customers.